Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. A chicken cooked with a dal is an amazing combination, and this one recipe I had learned from my mother-in-law and I'm going to share this with you. Let's see how to make the dal chicken. So for this recipe, let's cook the dals first. Here I have the dals that I have soaked for almost 7 to 8 hours, which is half a cup of Toor dal, half a cup of Masoor dal and 3/4 cup of Chana dal. So now let's boil this. I'm going to add 2 cups of water to this, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of hing and some salt to taste. Just stir this well. Let's heat 2 tablespoons of oil with 2 tablespoons of ghee. The oil is hot. Let's infuse the flavors of the whole spices. So I'm adding 2 bay leaves, 1 inch cinnamon, 1 star anise, 1 black cardamom and 5 green cardamoms. Just let's wait for them to release their aroma. And now I'm going to add 3 finely chopped onions to this and fry them till they're nice and golden in color. The onions have browned really well. Let's quickly add a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste. Saute it for a minute. And here I have a kilo of chicken. I'm going to add this. I'm going to sear the meat on a high flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Now for those of you who prefer mutton over chicken, you can use mutton instead of chicken for this recipe. Now after 3 whistles, let's shut the flame for the cooker. The chicken is also fried very well. Let's add 3 finely chopped tomatoes here and cook the tomatoes till they're nice and mushy. The tomatoes are cooked well and the oil is also separated. Let's add some spices. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Now you can add chili powder according to your taste. A teaspoon of garam masala powder. Let's mix this well. I've roasted half a cup of dry coconut that was grated and then ground it to a nice paste. I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of this. Mix this well. Time to add the cooked dal. Now we're going to adjust the salt. Remember, we had already added salt to the dal while it was getting boiled. Now give it a final stir and cover and cook till the chicken is done. So while the chicken is getting cooked, I'm going to prepare a special garnish for this dish. So I'm going to heat a small vessel and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. Let's fry the sliced onion over here that I have. 1 sliced onion. We're going to fry this golden. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to this. Keep stirring the onions constantly so that they get browned evenly. I'm going to add 4 to 5 slit green chillis and fry these as well. I have some dry chillis which I have roughly chopped. And I'm going to shut the flame. Our garnish is ready. I've kept the chicken to cook for 20 minutes and I'm sure it's ready. Yes, it is. So let's now add the tadka that we have prepared. Now let's serve this dish. The Dal Murgh is ready to be served. I'm serving it with steamed rice. You can serve it with parathas or bread of your choice. It's an easy recipe. Do try it. Let me know and keep watching Get Curried.